Hello everyone. Welcome back to the next training session of SHL's technical support team. Today's content we want to introduce to everyone about heat transfer oil. The presentation consists of the following parts. The first, about heat transfer oil concept and reasons for using heat transfer oil. The second is the types of heat transfer oil and the comparison. The third is management and analysis item of used oil. And the last part are products of our company, SHL Heat Transfer Oil. First we go into the heat transfer oil concept and reasons for using heat transfer oil. Heat transfer transmits thermal energy from the heat source to the area that needs heat. Heat transfer oils are oils used in heat exchangers in industrial heating processes. It is commonly used in industries such as paper, garment, construction, etc. When it comes to heat transfer substances, people often refer to water, such as steam boilers. But water was used at less than 150 degrees Celsius, but the use of water resulted in the conversion of the heat medium flow path due to disadvantages. Disadvantages when using water. Firstly, water is cause of pipe corrosion, reducing pipe life as well as causing open pipes and heat loss. Second, water is frozen and expanded at 0 degrees Celsius, so it should always be kept above 0 degrees Celsius. And this makes it difficult to control the bitter cold climate in winter. And thirdly, as the temperature rises, the pressure increases greatly, resulting in a bulky and costly installation, making it much more difficult to install a safe operating system. Thus, to achieve heat transfer efficiency as well as ensure safety, using heat transfer oil is a reasonable choice. Heat transfer oil is divided into two types, mineral base oil and synthetic base oil. In addition, a semi-synthetic oil is added. Each oil has different properties, and we go through the table below to better understand the characteristics of the two oils. Following on the table, we see the first difference in the temperature range used. The temperature range used as well as the flash point of mineral base oil are higher than that of synthetic base oil. It can be understood simply that mineral base oils are essentially petroleum, which are hydrocarbons, while synthetic base oils are volatile solvents, so the vapor pressure of this type is higher and noise may appear, causing oil loss. In terms of detergency, synthetic base oil have better detergency. Mineral-based oils, during use at high temperatures, will produce deposits that accumulate in the pipeline, causing blockages. While synthetic oils produce less deposits and can completely remove accumulated carbon deposits. Condensate in the pipeline. The lubricity and anti-rust properties of synthetic oils will not be as effective as mineral oils. Finally, in terms of economy, mineral oils have low thermal stability and short service life, along with the formation of deposits that also affect the cleaning process. However, mineral oils can withstand high temperatures, higher than synthetic oils. In contrast, synthetic oils have high thermal stability and longer service life, lower fuel consumption. Each type of oil has different requirements and characteristics, so it is necessary to rely on information from customers to give reasonable advice on the type of oil to use. Next is the management and analysis item of used oil. Management of viscosity, acid content, water content, flash point and carbon residue content. Viscosity and flash point change as the oil is oxidized and cracked in the process. Controls viscosity in the ±20% range and flash point in the ±10% range. The second is about the total acid number. An increase in the total acid content can mean an increase in the rate of oxidation and the corrosion of the equipment. Limit the total acid number index to within 0.3 mg kali hydroxide per 1 gram of the sample. Regarding the water content, if there is a large amount of water in the oil, it is easy to cause pipeline corrosion and oxidation of the emulsion. Control the water below 360 ppm. Finally, the content of millipore residue with the size of 0.8 micrometers. Long-term use causes thermal decomposition to carbon deposits that reduce heat exchange efficiency and can clog pipes. Control the amount of residue below 50 mg per 100 ml of oil and need to be cleaned as soon as the content exceeds the allowable threshold. As for products of our company, SHL Heat Transfer Oil. We have a range of heat transfer oils: mineral base oil, synthetic base oil and semi-synthetic oil. Regarding mineral base heat transfer oil, we have the products SHL Therm 22, 32, 46 and 68. In the synthetic base line, the two main types we provide to customers are SHL SYNTHERM 22L and SHL SYNHERM 32L. There is also a semi-synthetic type, which is a blend of mineral and synthetic base oils. The parameters are shown in the table. Above is the entire content of the heat transfer oil section. Thank you everyone for listening. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact the technical support team via the email below. Goodbye and see you again.